Good morning, everyone. I am Lizzie Taylor, Director of Programs with FCICA. I will be moderating today's webinar. This program is being recorded, so to maintain the integrity of the recording, all attendees will be muted. The recorded session will be housed on the FCICA Member Center and this education portal, as well as featured on our website and YouTube channel. We have some upcoming events that I would just like to remind you of. Next week on Wednesday the 10th at 1 p.m. we will have a second April product webinar featuring Tack. And the week after that, back on Thursday at 11 a.m., we will have an educational webinar about polished concrete presented by Pat Cunningham. So make sure you can join us for those. And remember, if you are unable to join us live, register and we can always send you that link and you can watch it recorded. One more big announcement. We just released this information to all of our members yesterday. We have another 3 Days to SIM project management certification training event. This is where you can get our SIM certification in just 3 days. So some people can do it 3 days at home on their own. Some people take a little closer to 3 years. So this is just an event where we sit down in a classroom setting. We go through all of the same online content, but we do it together. We have our association chairman and our education chairman there with us as moderators for you. We provide you all of the handouts, and you can take notes with that, and we give you some food. So we have so far had, 8 plus 11 is a number larger than that. I'm sorry, I can't do math fast. But we have had a number of people successfully complete the SIM program in this fashion, and every single one of them found it beneficial to sit down and just get it done. So you get to go home certified. It just takes 3 days. It is over a weekend, so it's Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Hopefully that lets you get away from the office as little as possible so that we can get this done and help you out with that. So again, this will be in Baltimore. This is at the end of April. Registration is open right now, and we will be communicating a lot about this in the next few weeks. So get a jump start and sign up for it. Any views and opinions expressed in this webinar are those of the presenters and do not necessarily reflect any official views or positions of FCICA. At this time, please excuse a brief pause, and I will initiate the recording. Welcome to the FCICA Product Webinar Series. We are pleased to have Kevin Keefe and Tracy Muller of Roberts with us today. Kevin, the floor is yours.
Good morning. This is Tracy Muller, and I'm actually going to take the floor before Kevin does. And we are happy to present to you a new product that we'd like to talk about. So what we will be discussing, kind of give a little background or an introduction of who we are, a little overview of Roberts, and then talk into more detail about our new product, the Roberts 2018 Tack and Crack. And then, if time permits, we also would like to discuss with you a few new products that we also have recently introduced. So first, just a quick little introduction about us.
Hey guys, I just wanted to first say thank you for tuning in. I know everybody's time is valuable. We do appreciate that, and FCICA for having us on. My name is Kevin Keefe. I am the National Technical Manager for Roberts. I have over 20 years of flooring installation experience, and I've been hired about a year ago with QEP. I now educate distributors, installers on adhesives, tools, underlayments, and webinars.
And as I mentioned, I'm Tracy Muller. I am our Director of Product Management and Marketing for our Adhesives Division for North America. I have been with QEP for a little over 5 years, but I have been within the construction or building construction products industry for over 14 years. So just give a little background of who we are. And what we're going to talk to you about today is Roberts. We have been around, the Roberts brand has been around for over 80 years, and it is recognized as a premier brand of adhesives, installation tools, and accessories for developing the essentials for the flooring market. Roberts began its debut in 1938 by developing a liquid latex formula for carping, seaming, and repair, which was called Rubber Edge. And then they continued with industry innovations and thus continuing with developing another installation or working with another installation, the double bond carpet installation method, which is still recognized as an industry standard today. And also Roberts was one of the first solvent-free adhesives in the 1980s, kind of continuing on with the trend of environmentally friendly products. And with that, we've had a lot of past innovations and a lot of firsts, and what we're here to talk to you about today is introducing a new technology within the flooring market, which we're excited to present to you. One of the other things is we actively participate within various industry affiliations, obviously FCICA, which brings us here today, and other organizations. And this is to help us establish the highest standards for environmentally conscientious products, as well as to better understand the market and installer needs. So I really feel that this is very viable for us as well as the installer to participate. So again, just a little background about Roberts, which a lot of the installers are very familiar with us for our tool solutions. We have definitely invented many of the tools that are still used by professionals today. We have all tools that are required for all of the installations, whether it be carpet, resilient, wood, tear-outs. We have over 274 collective years of flooring experience within our sales reps. And I mean, anywhere from the products that we're offering, stretchers, kickers, to vinyl carpet tools, jam saws, cutters, underlayments, tapes that we also carry within our category. And the other category is our Adhesive Solutions. So we have not only the tools, but we have the adhesive to support all of the installations. For Roberts offers a vast line in multi-purpose, carpet, resilient, which is the booming industry today, the wood, as well as we have some specialty construction adhesives and cleaners. So just a little bit about our adhesives, and we're going to focus more on the adhesives within this presentation. We also, within our Roberts adhesive category, we have products that fall under the moisture control. So these are premium high solids adhesives that are enhanced to withstand high levels of moisture. Today we have products that withstand up to 10 pounds of moisture vapor emissions and 90% relative humidity. So what this means is these products help to simplify the moisture mitigation process to one simple step. There's no need for putting a barrier down when using these products. So therefore, it saves the installer time and money. So the products that we have a lineup that we continue to evolve and develop, but we have products that withstand up to 10 pounds of moisture and 10 pounds of moisture and 8 pounds of moisture. So we have some resilient products, which is our Roberts 7350, Roberts 5350, which is specifically for rubber adhesive, Roberts 1660, which is a pressure-sensitive wood adhesive, Roberts 3095, which is a carpet adhesive, and then we also have the Roberts 6300, which is a pressure-sensitive carpet tile adhesive. For the 8-pound or 85% relative humidity, we have a few products in that category as well, which is our Roberts 3300 multi-purpose adhesive, and then we have our Roberts 2350, which is a hard-set resilient adhesive, which accepts rolling loads and heavy point loads. And then we have our flagship product, Roberts 2057 VCT adhesive. So, you know, as I mentioned, we have over 80 years of industry experience and flooring expertise. Our adhesives are known, as well as our tools, for quality within, a superior quality within the building and flooring industry. They are definitely recognized for providing high quality and high performing dependable products and support. And we are always looking for ways to develop or bring more efficient and effective products and installation processes to you, the flooring installer. So we're always open to understanding the needs and how our products can serve as a solution for you. So what also, I would like to turn it over to Kevin, but we also offer enhanced technical support and services.
All right, guys. So here at Roberts, obviously, we are very committed to delivering, high-quality customer service and technical support to ensure the best possible flooring installation solutions for all the installers. Our dedicated support team consists of a customer service representatives that answer questions during working hours. We have technical specialists fielding calls as well, giving you a primary and secondary points of contact. We also offer on-site technical and sales representation if need be. And we're also willing, and more than willing, I should say, to come out and do technical demonstrations and trainings for anybody that would be interested in something like that. That would probably be myself or part of the other technical team that we have here at Roberts. Before we get going, we're going to ask a poll question here just to get an idea of how much use you're going to get out of our new product. How often do you guys do glue down tack strip and transitions in an installation atmosphere? One would be not at all, once a month, twice a month, once a week, or more than twice a week. So if you guys wouldn't have a problem just going to your poll question and answering that when you get a chance, that'd be great. And while you're doing that, I would like to introduce our product today that we are showcasing. This is the master of all trades. This is our 2018 Tack and Crack Adhesive. This product, our Roberts 2018 Tack and Crack Adhesive, is a very versatile, fast-setting, high-strength tack strip adhesive and crack joint filler, and much more. This product is very tough. It's flexible. It has 10 to 15% flexibility rate. This is a very extremely high bond strength adhesive. You can use this product, and this will allow you to stretch carpeting within about 20 minutes, depending on the atmosphere you're using this product in. But roughly about 20 minutes, you're ready to stretch your carpet, which makes it a really fantastic product on the market these days. This product doesn't just adhere tack strip, though. It adheres all sorts of different things. Stair nosings, treads, aluminum, all sorts of stuff, and we're going to get into that. This product also will be able to fill cracks up to 1 inch wide at any depth, and it should set up equally at the same amount of time, roughly anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes. Your crack will be filled and ready to go. You can ready to lay product on top of it. This product is a self-leveling product. It's got very low viscosity. It's a two-part system that mixes in within the nozzle itself. We are packaging this product with 2 tips at this point in time, and we will be offering multiple tips for purchase as well. It's very easy to use in a standard cartridge caulk gun, and is absolutely a perfect solution for quick repairs. Where would I use this product? Just before we go any farther, give you an idea. This product is going to be used for over hydronic heated floors, where you cannot use a hammer drill to reinforce your tack strip. This product is going to be perfect for you. It will withstand high temperatures. Hospitals, hotels, assisted living centers, any situation where you can run into where a hammer drill might not be the answer, where you don't want to disturb the residents of the facility, and as far as making a mess as well. Terrazzo, for instance, you might break a ton of blades putting down, or tons of bits putting down your tack strip through this product. Well, this might save you cost and time in a situation like that as well. So this product is a 2-part polyurea. Again, I said it's got a 10 to 15% flexibility rate. Once mixed, these 2 parts will become a concrete gray color. Its working time has got about 5 minutes of work time. Tack time is up to 20 minutes. Again, low VOCs. This product comes in roughly a 9-ounce cartridge. Your coverage rate is going to be anywhere up to 150 linear feet, depending on how you're applying this product. The good thing about this product, compared to some of the other ones out there that installers are using at this point in time, like such as an epoxy, a polyurea is not only flexible compared to a rigid epoxy, but it's actually stronger. If anybody knows about polyurea, I'm going to tell you it's a stronger adhesive than epoxies out there. And it bonds to almost absolutely anything. So we're going to try to hit the end user here, and we want to discuss how to use this product properly. So we're going to stop before you use this product, and we're going to tell you a few instructions of how to get this cartridge balanced. So when balancing this cartridge and preparing this cartridge for use, what we want you to do, and like you to do, would be strongly shake this cartridge for roughly about a minute. Then you're going to let this product sit for roughly about a minute. This is going to allow any air bubbles left in the adhesive to rise to the top and preparation for application. After you've done this, what we're going to want you to do is insert this into a regular standard caulk gun. Keep the tube at an upright position to prevent material leakage and to help the air bubbles release as well. Remove the cap and insert, and make sure you keep this insert piece. This will allow you to be able to reuse this product later on down the line. Slowly dispense a small amount of this material until both sides flow evenly. This makes sure that both products are at the top of your cartridge and ready to be mixed evenly. This is very important. When balancing this cartridge, make sure you securely fasten the nozzle at this point, and what we want you to do is just pour a little bit out. This is going to assure that the two parts have equally mixed within the nozzle and it's ready to use. This will give you the ultimate bond you're looking for out of this product. If it's not mixed properly, obviously the product's not going to work properly. So all this balancing is just basically getting you to the point of having the product ready to adhere your tack strip or fill cracks or whatever you're going to use this product for. Make sure, again, and if you can see in this picture here that I've got, that little black tip right there gives an airtight seal on both parts. Make sure you keep that little part if you want to reuse this product. Once you put that cap back in, you're going to just top it off and store it, and you're ready to use it at another time. So we're going to ask another polling question here, guys. If you get a chance, we'd love your feedback. We'd like to know what kind of installation methods you are using at this point to adhere tack strip to your floor without using a hammer drill. One would be a hot glue gun. Without saying any names, you know what I'm talking about. A contact cement, a polyurethane, a two-part epoxy, or a construction adhesive. So go ahead and if you get a chance, just mark down there, and we'll take a look and go over that at another later point in this time. So when applying your tack strip, we want you guys to cut your tack strip down to about 3 to 4 equal pieces, roughly about 12 inches. So obviously this tack strip's made out of wood, and wood will warp and turn. We want this product to be flat on the floor. I would suggest using a strip without nails to avoid unbalanced tack strip from nails popping through the bottom. So this product is very thin, and we want your tack strip to be flat on the floor. So go ahead, when you're applying this tack strip, make sure you're cutting it down to about 12 inches. We recommend that you place a drop every 4 to 6 inches, roughly anywhere from a dime to a nickel. This will give you enough hold to hold that tack strip with a powerful stretch on it. Just lay the tack strip into the adhesive, let set for roughly about 20 minutes, and you'll be ready to stretch the carpet. Just to give you guys a little hint here, make sure you're not pushing around these tack strips during these 20 minutes. Let that have time to set up and cure properly. What can we use this product on? Different substrates. Porous, non-porous substrates, concrete, APA-rated plywood, one layer of well-bonded existing VCT tile, prime jibcrete, and also terrazzo. For application on your crack repair or joints, use to fill interior and exterior control joints on horizontal concrete substrates, up to 1 inch wide, and like I said before, at any depth. If your cracks are very deep and you do not want to use this a ton of this product and let it go, an aggregate can be used such as sand to fill that in. This will treat moving cracks. This will protect joint edges from spalling, and this will remain flexible. This will allow for 10 to 15% movement of install, and cracks can be overfilled and shaved down within 60 minutes. Important, substrates must be completely dry without any presence of moisture prior to usage of this product. To fill the cracks for best results, you might want to open up that crack a little bit, right, up to about a 1/8 to 1/4 inch wide crack, making sure the edges are at a 90-degree angle. This will protect your edges and keep the product holding both sides of your concrete together. Once again, using this product in cracks will prevent it from spalling or getting worse. Next, blow out all the dust, debris, oil, and any other contaminants out of your crack. Placing the nozzle directly into the joint or repair area, just go ahead and dispense the material. Gravity will pull that down and get into all the areas it needs to. Allow this material to feed into the cracks naturally, okay? You don't have to push it in any harder in one area than the other. Like I said before, it's self-leveling. It's going to find its way into all the voids in these cracks. For shaving the joints, overfill the crack so the material is slightly higher than the face of the slab being repaired. Allow this to cure for 60 minutes, and using, of course, a Roberts floor scraper, you can easily shave this material down to a perfectly flat surface and ready for installation. So, applications, like I said before, where you want to be using this product. But this product doesn't just adhere tack strip. This will adhere your cove moldings, your carpet shims, your transitions. One thing we found that's really good for people really like to use this for are the smooth, smooth vinyl stair nosings that are going over your plank and whatnot on your staircase. With the 10 to 15% flexibility rate, this was going to move with your staircase for years to come, and will give you an absolutely very strong bond for the years to come of this installation. I know a lot of products out there guys are having a hard time finding a product that's holding these vinyl smooth stair nosings. This product is absolutely perfect for it. If you're using it for stair nosings because it's a thin product, what I would like to recommend for you guys is maybe a roll of painter's tape. As you go down your staircase, maybe you just put one on either side and one in the middle to hold it in place for roughly about 5 minutes until it starts to set up. The nice thing about using it for stair nosings is that this product is set up before you leave the house. I know installers will tell their customers to stay off their stairs until their adhesives are set up, and then as soon as they walk out the door, the customer's down the staircase, your stair nosing's off, there's a big mess, and you're getting a call back. The nice thing about this is by the time you're walking out of this, walking out of your job, your stair nosings are set, and they're going to look the same as they're going to for years to come. This product also will bond very well to ceramic and metal as well. So no worries about your transitions. If you're using an aluminum nap lock of sorts that has a ridge on it, I would recommend maybe pounding that ridge flat so it stays flat into the adhesive.
We will also have a video that Kevin has put together that definitely highlights all of the key points and then goes into more detail that we'll also be supporting with this PowerPoint presentation. So before we get into any of our other products that we wanted to talk about. Are there any particular questions on our Roberts 2018 Tack and Crack? Okay, well, we then will continue on and talk about some of the other new products that we have introduced with Roberts.
So guys, we came out with 3 different construction adhesives. We're going to briefly talk and describe each one of these for you guys and what they're capable of doing. Roberts construction adhesives. They're superior adhesion performance to tackle many interior and exterior tasks, depending on which one you use. These will provide high strength, a quick grab, and fast curing permanent bonds. They're very easy to use, gun grade formulas. They will ensure a weatherproof bond and can be applied in extreme temperatures. Let's start off with our Roberts 30 construction adhesive. This is specifically formulated for the interior installation of drywall paneling and foam board. This premium grade adhesive provides immediate grab with a good tack for accurate placement and preventing permanent bond, reducing the need for nailing and preventing nail pops. Okay, the Roberts 30 construction adhesive, it comes in a 30-ounce tube. All 3 of them are 30-ounce tubes. And the 30 has a coverage rate of up to 40 linear feet while applying a 3/8-inch bead. It has a work time of up to 30 minutes. This is an environmentally friendly, solvent-free, and LEED-compliant adhesive. This product will cure in a time frame of 8 to 10 hours. It's easily cleanable for cleanup for fresh adhesive. This should be removed with just warm, soapy water. Dried adhesive can be removed easily with mineral spirits. This product is not recommended for vinyl-coated boards or constant water contact areas or exterior applications. It also should be protected from freezing. Our Roberts 40 adhesive is a subfloor and deck adhesive. This is a premium grade construction adhesive that is specifically formulated to permanently bond wood subfloor, plywood, fiber composite, and paneling. The Roberts 40 is excellent for exterior construction and decks. This is a solvent-based adhesive. It helps to prevent floor squeaks and improves the structural performance of the flooring assembly. The Roberts 40 will bond to wet, frozen, and treated lumber, which is great for climates that are colder from where I'm from, Wisconsin. This product is great for. It can be used on concrete, particle board, plaster, metal, dimensional lumber, masonry, OSB and enhanced OSB plywood, and almost any smooth surface. It has a coverage rate at a 1/4-inch bead up to 90 linear feet and a 3/8-inch bead up to 40 linear feet. This product has an open time of 3 to 10 minutes and a working time of 10 to 15 minutes. This product will cure within 24 hours and can be cleaned up using mineral spirits. Okay, and then our Roberts 50. Our Roberts 50 is an extreme construction adhesive. This is a solvent-based, gun-grade, weatherproof adhesive. This is used to bond plywood, subfloors, paneling, and fiber composite board. It is perfect for exterior construction, decks, and will also bond to wet, treated, frozen lumber as well as our 40. This adhesive can be applied in a wide range of temperature on both interior and exterior projects. It is also repositionable for up to 10 minutes. This product has the same coverage rate as the 40 adhesive. It has a work time of 5 to 10 minutes and will fully cure in roughly 24 hours. Next product we'd like to introduce to you is our Roberts 1660 Lockdown Adhesive. The 1660 is a pressure-sensitive engineered wood flooring adhesive that is formulated to reduce hollow spots. It will cure with a persistent and permanent bond to keep your flooring continuously engaged with your subfloor. The adhesive can be used for bonding engineered wood flooring up to 5 inches wide and up to 5 feet long, laminate plank, parquet, foam-backed engineered wood plank, acrylic impregnated engineered wood plank, cork tile, cork underlayment, and specialty foam and rubber underlayments. It can also be used for luxury vinyl tile and plank as well, and vinyl-backed carpet tile. The 1660 is a moisture-controlled adhesive which will withstand moisture up to 10 pounds MVER or 90% RH. It has an open time of roughly up to 60 minutes and a work time up to 60 minutes as well. This is an environmentally friendly, solvent-free, and LEED-compliant adhesive and has the Gold Guard antimicrobial product protection in it as well. So, and this is our last adhesive that we'd like to introduce to you today. This is our Roberts 5350. This is a rubber bond adhesive. It is uniquely designed with a superior bonding properties required for rubber sheet and tile flooring. It may also be used for the installation of solid vinyl sheet, luxury tile and plank, vinyl composition tile and felt-backed vinyl. This Roberts 5350 flashes quickly to a tacky state. It provides a robust initial grab that is resistant to indentations and accepts heavy rolling loads. The use of this adhesive ensures a tenacious, permanent bond over porous and non-porous substrates. This product is a moisture-controlled adhesive as well, and this will also withstand moisture up to 10 pounds, moisture vapor emissions, or 90% relative humidity. It has an exceptional shear and permanent bond strength. Okay, it is environmentally friendly as well, solvent-free and LEED compliant as well. This adhesive has an open time of up to 20 minutes and a work time of up to 70 minutes, and will completely cure within 24 hours. Is there anything you would like to add to this, Tracy?
Nope, I think we're good. If there are any questions on these newer products, please let us know. And we also have more information. I know that a lot of the support documents will be provided, but if you would like to learn more about our Roberts offering, you can visit us at robertsconsolidated.com, and we also have many social media outlets as well. But we thank you for the time today to let us introduce to you our new Roberts 2018 Tack and Crack, as well as a few of our other new introductions to the market. And we look forward to helping you all out with any adhesive or tooling solutions or problems that you have out there, being your solution provider. Thanks, everyone.
Thanks again.
And thank you for presenting. We do have a couple of questions ready here.
Okay.
The first one is, can the Tack and Crack be used outside? What if it freezes?
Yes, the 2018 Tack and Crack can be used outside. Again, it is a crack filler, so I mean, if your driveway's falling apart, you could go out and patch it together with this stuff. The polyureas will hold up to very high and low temperatures, and yes, you can use it for exterior applications.
Excellent. And another question here: what is the time frame for stretching carpet?
The time frame from stretching carpet will vary slightly depending on the atmosphere that you're applying this product in, but roughly about 20 to 30 minutes you will be able to stretch on this product without any problems. And like I said, this product is very strong holding. Polyureas are naturally stronger than epoxies. So yeah, 20 to 30 minutes, you're ready to power stretch, which makes it really nice in case, say, something does pop up off your floor and you have to put down, re-glue a tack strip, or maybe you didn't get enough down, or maybe the tack strip was warped or whatnot and didn't get that initial contact. The nice thing about this product is you're not waiting for hours to set up, or even days. Some of these products will take up, that guys are using today, will take up almost, an entire day, and they'll come back to install the next day. This product, 20 minutes, roughly 20 to 30 minutes, you're ready to stretch your product. Absolutely.
Awesome. So I've got a question. If a customer is using a different method than the Tack and Crack and they want to get started using your product, what should their first step be?
Their first step, I would say, is log on to our website, and then they can find the local distribution supplier that would be Roberts' supplier to them, and then they would be able to purchase the product through their distribution rep.
Excellent. I do not see any other questions coming in here, so I think we are okay to wrap up at this time. Again, on behalf of FCICA, thank you so much, Kevin and Tracy, for presenting today's webinar sponsored by Roberts. It was quite interesting looking over your products at our trade show last week, and I am glad I got to learn more about your Tack and Crack.
Thank you very much.
Of course.
And again, there is a video. Please watch it. It goes into detail about balancing this cartridge and how to use it in specific detail. So if you have any questions on applications or whatnot, please just take a look at that video. And yes, Lindsay, or Lizzie, it was very nice seeing you last weekend as well, and I appreciate the time to be able to present our products at the convention as well as here on this webinar. So thank you. And thank you for your time, everybody, for tuning in, ones that did and ones that are going to be tuning in later. We do thank you as well.
And that video that they are referencing, it will be available as a webinar handout. The system is having trouble downloading it completely, so I'm giving it another attempt. But it will be available as a handout, so you'll be able to come back to this webinar on your education platform account and check into the handouts and see when it's uploaded. And I will make sure that an email goes out when I've got it ready to go. So I apologize for not having it ready at this time, but it is actively downloading, and so I'll reach out probably in just a few hours here and make sure that you all know when it's ready to go.
Thank you, Lizzie.
Okay. So, audience, thank you so much for joining us. Like Kevin and Tracy said, it was excellent to have you on today, and have a great rest of your day.